Welcome to Karma Auto Group, Duluth's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great large sedan in our collection. A pre-owned 2019 Mercedes-Benz AMG C63. This Mercedes-Benz is powered by rear-wheel drive AMG V8 engine, automatic transmission, and has 59,875 miles. Experience luxury and performance with this 2019 Mercedes-Benz AMG C63. Impeccably maintained, featuring powerful performance, sleek design, and advanced technology. Don't miss your chance to own this exceptional driving experience. Schedule a test drive today. This pre-owned AMG C63 comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with keyless entry, power windows, power locks, power seats, power driver's seat, push-button start, alloy wheels, climate control. To keep you entertained, this Mercedes-Benz AMG C63 is equipped with Bluetooth, voice-activated audio, navigation, voice-activated climate control, smart device integration. Safety was put first by the following features: blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, ESC, traction control, forward collision warning, tire pressure monitoring system, backup camera, ABS brakes, daytime running light. Scan the QR code, visit our website for more information, availability, and pricing. Great quality at a great price. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.